Similar to other electronics you may be familiar with, the X2 MR glasses have a rechargeable lithium-ion battery built into the device. While designed to last for more than an hour and a half while running even the most power-hungry applications, the battery does not last forever. Our team has compiled a few best practices to help your X2 MR glasses save battery life. Lowering your brightness. In the UI tab on the top of your screen, you can find the buttons to raise and lower your device's brightness. As you may have guessed, lowering your brightness whenever possible can help save battery life. Turning on adaptive brightness. Another useful feature on your X2 MR glasses is the adaptive brightness setting. With this feature toggled on, the device will recognize the ambient light around the user and adjust the brightness accordingly. Turning on adaptive brightness is a great way to passively save battery. Turning off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth while not in use. Your X2 MR glasses have full internet and Bluetooth connectivity. However, these features use power, even when they're not needed. Save your battery by turning off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your glasses when you're not in need of them. Closing running applications. Similar to a smartphone, the X2s have multitasking built in, allowing the user to seamlessly transition from app to app and back again. However, when you're done using an application for a while, it's best for your battery life to keep it from running in the background. On the top of your screen, select the All Tabs button and clear out the applications that aren't in use. Minimizing the display while not using the glasses. Your X2's power button doubles as a lock button that the user can press to sleep the display. When not in use, keeping the screen on unnecessarily drains battery life. Simply short press the power button when you wish to take a break from your X2s, and the display will shut off. To turn it back on, simply short press the button again.